So 1 9 is 9, 2 9 is 18, 3 9 is 27, 4 9 is 36, 5 9 is 45, 6 9 is 54, 7 is 63, 8 9 is 72, 9 9 is 81, 10 9 is 90. So how we find the base simply? So just show your 10 fingers, okay? 10 fingers. So first you fold one thumb finger. So 1 9 is, how many fingers in there? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5 4 9. 1 9 is 9, 1 9 is 9. Now 2 9, 2 9, 2 9 is, leave the first finger, okay? We have to count, this one is 0, okay? This one is 1. Okay, 1 9 is 9, 2, 2 fingers, 2 9s are 18. See, 1 is fold, 1 first digit, 1. How many fingers in straight? 1 2 3, 1 2 3 4 5. So 5 plus 8, 1 8, 1 8. Next 3 7, 3 9s are 3 9s are 8 9s are 1 2 27, 5 2 27, 3 9s are 27, 4 9s are 1 2 3 3 6 36, 5 9s are 1 2 3 4 4 5 45, 6 9s are 6 9s are 1 2 3 4 5 54, 6 9s are 54, 7 9s are 7 9s are 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 3 1 2 3 63, 8 9s are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 72 72, 9 9s are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 81 81, 9 9s are 81, 10 9s are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 9. There is no finger in straight, so 0 9 0. Okay, very simple. Take and write. 1 9 is 9, 2 9 is 18, 3 9 is 27, 4 9 is 36, 5 9 is 45, 6 9 is 54, 7 9 is 63, 8 9 is 72, 9 9 is 81, 10 9 is 90. Okay, very simple. Okay.